Hey folks, it's Quail Mama. We're out here with the little birds. It is now a cold, wet, windy day. The roofers just left, and we're almost done with the roof. Gosh, what is the temperature out here now? Oh, it was what, 46 degrees? Maybe? Anyway, we're out here with the little birds. They don't mind the weather. They've got a pretty nice place to be. Well, come springtime, I'm going to have to clean this place. But we thought we'd come and spend a minute or so with the little birds. Yep. Saw some nasty black clouds in the distance there, and voila, the weather is here. I haven't even looked at the forecast to see what it's supposed to be or how long this weather's supposed to last, but at least it's not snowing. That's good news. I'm getting a little wet. Just have the front of the aviary here that's not covered with a tarp so that it gets a little bit of weather. But anyway, little birds are doing good. Got them some finch formula here. It's got lots of protein in it, lots of thistle seed that's got a lot of extra protein. And anyway, I think we'll just keep this one a short one. I'm going to head in where it's nice and warm and dry, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Sure appreciate you. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye now.